Hello and welcome to CMT Stuttgart. I'm going to show you this vehicle. It's a Carthago i61 XL LE Chic E-Line, and I'm going to show it to you in under 3 minutes. This vehicle has got an enormous double floor for a huge amount of storage you can put down there. This vehicle will cost around nearly 200,000 euros. Yes, you heard me right, that's a 2 followed by 5 zeros. But look how much space you actually get in it. Look how bright it is. At the rear we've got this German bed layout. We can make a double bed with the moment 2 singles, but by putting a unit in here makes an enormous bed. We've got storage under the bed, we've got storage all the way around the bed, and we've also got space for a television, which is here. This will close where I am now. We've got the dividers here, solid dividers. Here we can close this door here, and that will come over there to reveal the toilet. In here we will find another wardrobe, and over here there's the shower. Obviously the duct board's down at the moment, so you wouldn't probably wash yourself with the duct board down like that. Here we have the sink, plenty of storage under the sink. Coming through here we will find this enormous kitchen, really, for a motorhome like this. Wonderful drawers below, plenty of storage to keep things in. Storage above. Here we've got 3 burners. Here we've got a sink and more storage there for wine glasses and things. Enormous also lounge up front, storage all the way around, and look, it's got a feeling of space inside here. Magnificent amount of space in here. There's your television, there's your fridge, there's your freezer, there's your oven and your grill. Let's have a look around the outside somewhat quickly. And so here we find this enormous garage here. Look the amount of space in there, how many bicycles and other things you could carry. There is there are your electrics. Let's come round here to the front, see a bit more. Another door on the garage here, and space for storage in the double floor. Door for the driver's position, and there's somebody cleaning the floor. So I've done that under 3 minutes. If you want to see a longer video, there's a link on this one. Thanks for watching.